So over here in Wix ADI pages, you can add in different apps to make your website even more interactive. So over here, you can see that there's less chat, and this is usually on by default. So you can go over here and then simply delete out this chat over here, as you can see. So you're actually deleting out that function, that app from your Wix page right over here. So in order to add it, you can go into manage apps, where you'll be able to access different apps, as you can see. So to get back the chat, I'm just going to go to all apps, and here are different apps that you can choose from. So I'm just going to go around over here and find the one that says chat right over here. So let's just go around, and over here you can see that there's chat app right over here. So once you click on add, what happens is that the chat app gets back in. So if you want to edit this out, you can go over here, and there's settings, design, inbox, delete option, as you can see right over here. So let's just go to settings right over here to see what options that chat provides us with. So over here, there's less chat. So you can say something like this, or you can say something formal like message us. So I'm just going to go around and say message us right over here. So ask us any questions. So type in your queries can be something like that. You can also replace out this image right over here with something else as well. So if you want to do that as well, you can do that. So these are the options, as you can see. So you can go to the site files, choose it, but we're not going to do that right over here. So now the other options. So let's see what other options there are. So you can go around with the design as well, the design of the app. So this is the one which has been chosen right now. You can go for this kind of a look, or this one right over here, which takes a minimal amount of space right over here. So now you can go to chat, and there's open inbox section over here as well. So let me just go to preview right over here to see how that actually looks like. So chat app is here. So the users are able to click here, and then you can say something like hello there right over here, something like hello there, how are you, and so forth. So the users will be able to chat with you just like this, and you'll be able to access the chat via the mobile app for Wix. So you can chat via mobile app, or you can see the chat in your inbox while you're logged in. So usually it's easier to have the app there so that you can have notification and then chat with your customers or your visitors. So let me just exit the site right over here, and over here let's see the other option. So where do you see all of the messages that has been sent over here is by going into open inbox right over here. So once you go into open inbox, what happens is that this dashboard, your dashboard will open up right over here, or you can go to your dashboard directly as well, and here you'll be able to see your messages and type back. You can say hello from right over here to chat with your customers just like that from over here as well. You can also actually see other things. For example, you can see right here like the form submissions and everything else, they also come over here as well. You can also see your contact list and other form submissions, as you can see right over here as well, just like that. Usually in your inbox, like you have access to all of your forms that are submitted, as you can see over here. So that is how you can work around with the chat app inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.